Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying your laptop actually has an ESIM EUIC and that the operating system supports carrier profiles. Once done, update Windows or Mac OS to the latest build so the ESIM UI appears. Make sure you have the carrier QR code or activation code and a working Wi-Fi connection. This is necessary to download the profile. You do this now because missing hardware or outdated software prevents the rest of the process from working. You now add the cellular plan through the network settings. On Windows, choose Add a Cellular Plan. On Mac OS, use the network panel to add a profile. Next, scan the carrier QR code or manually paste the activation code and accept any permissions. The OS needs to download the profile and install credentials. Once the download finishes, make sure to enable the new cellular interface and verify that the APN and data roaming settings match your carrier. This ensures you finish by activating and testing the connection. Toggle airplane mode or restart the laptop to force the adapter to register, then open a browser and run a quick speed check to confirm data flow. If the profile shows installed but no service, verify APN and ensure the carrier account is provisioned for ESIM. As a troubleshooting tip, call your carrier with the device EID and profile status. They can push activation or reissue the profile if needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.